Hello viewers, I am Kausalya. Today we are going to solve subdivision 5 in problem 1 under the topic quadratic equations in exercise 4.2. The problem is 100x square minus 20x plus 1 is equal to 0. So now we have to find the roots for the given quadratic equation. So you have to select two numbers in such a way that when you multiply, you see here the coefficient of x square is 100 and this should be multiplied with this constant term. So 100 into 1 gives you 100. So you have to select two numbers in such a way when you multiply, that is the product should be equal to 100. And the next thing is, you see here we have minus 20. So again you have to select two numbers in such a way that when you add those two numbers, you should get the answer as minus 20. So now you have to select two numbers. So first, okay, if you are very much wise, then no need of these type of factors. You see, here you need 20. So 20 can be easily obtained by 10 and 10. Here you need minus 20. So minus 10 will give you minus 20. And when you multiply minus 10 into minus 10, you will get plus 100. Right? So don't think this as minus, okay? Just a hyphen. So the product should be plus 100 and the sum should be minus 20. So minus 10 and minus 10, just a guess. Okay, just make a guess and then you can proceed. Or else, this is a normal thing we usually do. You have to find the factors. So how to find the factors here? You see, 1 into 100 is 100. But 100 minus 1 gives you 99. But what you need? You need 20. Again 2 into 50 gives you 100, but 50 minus 2 gives you 48. Similarly 4 into 25 gives you 100, but 25 minus 4 gives you 21. And 5 into 20 again 100, but 20 minus 5 15. So here when you go with this, only this option suits you. Now the first step is splitting the middle term. So here you see, here we have minus 20x. So this minus 20x is written as minus 10x minus 10x. That is, we have selected minus 10 and minus 10 as the two numbers. So just we are replacing the middle term with the respective numbers along with x. Now, when you look at the first two terms, what are all the common terms we have? We have 10x. Because 100x square can be written as 10 into x into x. Now, when you look at these two terms, you can take 10x outside. When 10x is taken outside, what are all the remaining terms? You will be having another 10x. So, 10x minus, here when this 10x is taken out, here there is nothing. So, it is 1. Now, again when you look at these two terms, just hold for a second. You see, always keep this in mind. This number should be repeated here. That is the key thing in solving a quadratic equation. So if you have any doubt, so here you may have a doubt, right, what to take outside. So just write this term as such here. Then you just proceed. You see here we have minus 10x, but here we have a plus 10x. So you have to multiply this term by minus. So just write minus 1. Now minus 1 into 10x minus 10x, and again minus 1 into minus 1 gives you plus 10. So do make a check in this step. It is very mandatory. Now you see, when you look at this equation, here we have 10x minus 1 as common term. So you can take this term outside. When you take this term outside, the remaining terms are, again it is 10x minus 1. Now we are going to equate the individual terms to 0. So here 10x minus 1 equal to 0. So when you move this minus 1 to the right hand side, it becomes plus 1. And what about the value of x? It is 1 by 10. Right. Since we have identical roots, okay, no need to do 2 times. Anyway, I have done here. Now, the roots of this equation are, it is 1 by 10 and 1 by 10. Finally, again, if you need to check, you can check. Okay, you can replace this value in the place of x and you can check whether this equation is equal to 0. If your answer is correct, then the value should be equal to 0. If it is not equal to 0, then your answer is wrong. Again you have to recheck. So that's all. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.